Meet Adam, a visionary passionate about beautiful spaces. He's a renowned city center furniture store owner, a store synonymous with quality, style, and comfort. Adam's journey was not always smooth sailing. Amidst businesses, his store struggled initially. Adam ventured into billboard advertising. Imagine a bustling city. Amidst chaos, a billboard stands. Adam saw potential, a vision of an advert with stylish furniture in his showroom. So he decided to advertise on one. He chose a prime spot and designed a memorable billboard for his store. A billboard that made people stop, look, and remember. The result? Phenomenal. Adam's store boomed. Sales skyrocketed, no longer struggling. Now a destination for quality furniture in the city. He could not believe the success of his billboard advertising. People noticed the billboard. It spoke volumes, an advertisement, a statement, speaking to his brand message, offering quality, style, and comfort. The billboard did more than just advertise. It uplifted Adam's store, increasing profit. Within 13 weeks, sales were up 30%. It made his furniture store a recognized name. Adam has allowed his testimonial to speak to the power of billboard advertising. Adam painted a captivating billboard and watched it succeed. His story is sure to resonate with anyone looking to make their mark.